In times of crisis, the security of your wealth can feel like a fragile thing. Whether it's a financial crash, inflation, or political instability, most people aren't prepared for the uncertainty that can strike unexpectedly. This video is all about why you need a plan to safeguard your wealth in a crisis. If you're feeling unsure about what to do to protect your savings, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'll show you how a simple strategy can offer peace of mind and a safety net when you need it most. First, let's talk about why this matters. As an American retiree, you've worked hard to build your wealth over the years. You've put in the time, the effort, and maybe sacrificed some things along the way to save and invest for your future. But the truth is, no matter how solid your retirement plan seems, life can throw curveballs. Economic downturns, inflation, or political unrest can undermine your savings in ways that are hard to predict. So, what can you do? The key is to have a strategy in place that can withstand these shocks. That's why so many retirees are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth. Gold has been a trusted store of value for thousands of years, and in times of crisis, it holds up better than many other assets. If you want to dive deeper into why gold IRAs are proving to be the best option for retirees, click the first link in the description for a free guide that thousands of Americans are using to secure their wealth today. Now, back to the issue at hand: protecting your wealth. Many people think their traditional 401k or IRA is enough, but that's not always the case. When the stock market crashes or inflation skyrockets, the value of your paper assets can plummet, leaving you vulnerable. The reality is, most traditional retirement accounts are heavily tied to the market. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, diversifying your portfolio into assets that don't rely on the market can make all the difference. Gold IRAs are one such option. They're not just a hedge against inflation, but also provide a stable foundation for your wealth when everything else seems to be in free fall. Gold retains its value during economic downturns, which is why so many people are choosing to convert part of their retirement savings into a gold IRA. The best part? It's easier than you might think to get started, and once you do, you can feel more confident knowing your wealth is shielded from the volatility of the markets. Now, let's talk about other options. Real estate, for example, can be a good investment, but it comes with its own risks and headaches. Managing property, dealing with maintenance, and being exposed to fluctuating property values in a crisis can be stressful. Plus, not all retirees want to become landlords or have the capital to invest in real estate at the scale that would protect their savings. On the other hand, gold IRAs are a passive and tangible way to protect your wealth without all the overhead. It's a simple, straightforward solution that doesn't require a lot of effort on your part. And when you're ready to convert, it's something you can do without having to dive into the complexities of real estate or other more volatile investments. If you're sitting on over 100K in your IRA or 401k, or even more than $5 million in savings, it's time to start thinking seriously about how to preserve and grow your wealth during uncertain times. Many retirees are already moving towards gold IRAs as a way to protect their hard-earned assets. If you haven't considered it yet, now is the time. Click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and find out why thousands of Americans are making the switch today. As we wrap up, let me say this: having a plan in place for protecting your wealth in a crisis isn't just smart, it's essential. If you're serious about safeguarding your retirement and financial future, a gold IRA might be your best option. Don't wait for the next crisis to hit before you take action. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards securing your wealth for the long haul.